Welcome to the Skilled MBA Social Enterprises Case Study Series. Today's spotlight is on Highland Electric Fleets, a game-changer in sustainable school transportation. Founded by Duncan McIntyre, Highland is redefining how school districts transition to electric buses, offering a service-based model that eliminates the complexities of ownership and maintenance. By bundling vehicles, charging infrastructure, and energy management, Highland helps schools reduce both carbon emissions and operational costs, all while delivering safe, reliable rides for students. This model exemplifies how mission-driven innovation can scale sustainability, creating impact across communities while advancing environmental goals. Duncan McIntyre, founder of Highland Electric Fleets, is pioneering the shift to electric school buses. His innovative service-based model supports school districts in transitioning to electric transportation efficiently and affordably. This approach not only promotes sustainability, but also enables large-scale adoption, revolutionizing how school transportation operates. Highland provides a comprehensive solution with vehicle leasing, maintenance, and energy management. Their subscription model removes capital barriers, enabling school districts to adopt electric buses without upfront costs. Additionally, smart charging infrastructure and grid integration offer value beyond transportation, enhancing energy efficiency and sustainability. Highland's innovation redefines transportation with a service-based model, eliminating upfront costs. This operational expense approach transforms financial structures, making electric buses accessible. By assuming financial and operational risks, Highland eases adoption for school districts, ensuring a seamless transition to sustainable transportation solutions. Highland's model extends beyond transportation, offering health benefits through cleaner air, reducing respiratory illnesses. Environmentally, it cuts greenhouse gas emissions significantly. Energy innovation is achieved with vehicle-to-grid technology, allowing buses to supply power during peak demand. Economically, it provides cost savings for districts, creates jobs in clean energy, and reduces healthcare costs. Highland's fleet size has grown significantly, serving numerous districts across the United States and Canada. By 2024, strategic public-private partnerships have been pivotal in this expansion, enhancing operational reach and efficiency. This growth trajectory underscores the importance of collaboration in scaling sustainable transportation solutions. Highland's success in public-private partnerships is evident through collaborations with state transportation departments for funding and regulatory support. Partnerships with utility companies ensure grid integration and energy management. Collaborating with school districts optimizes routes and charging schedules, while engagement with bus manufacturers influences design and production priorities, enhancing operational efficiency. Highland faces scaling challenges with global shortages of batteries, chips, and components impacting delivery timelines. Infrastructure limitations, like electrical grid capacity constraints, necessitate costly upgrades. Additionally, managing capital requirements for rapid expansion while fulfilling existing contracts adds complexity. These factors collectively pose significant hurdles in maintaining operational efficiency and meeting customer expectations. Highland's strategic dilemma arose from bus delivery delays, extending over 6 months due to manufacturing bottlenecks. This jeopardized a crucial district partnership, risking trust. McIntyre faced a pivotal decision: balancing immediate customer needs with Highland's long-term growth strategy, ensuring both contract fulfillment and future expansion. Highland evaluated strategic options. Temporary diesel replacements maintained service but contradicted their mission. Renegotiating timelines preserved fleet integrity but risked penalties. Prioritizing alternative suppliers could expedite deliveries but raised quality concerns. Offering incentives maintained goodwill but reduced margins. Each choice required balancing immediate needs with long-term vision and values. Visionary leadership, as demonstrated by McIntyre, can innovate new service categories addressing multiple issues. Success hinges on aligning stakeholders like districts, manufacturers, utilities, and investors. Highland's systems thinking approach integrates transportation, energy, and financial systems, fostering resilient value creation. Highland's journey illustrates the scaling paradox faced by social enterprises. Rapid growth often challenges mission integrity. Leaders must navigate bottlenecks, balancing service commitments with impact values. Success lies in aligning commercial and impact objectives, ensuring they reinforce rather than compete with each other. Highland's model extends beyond school buses, offering a blueprint for electrifying municipal fleets and commercial transport. By integrating grid networks, it aims to become a comprehensive, clean transportation and energy management platform, revolutionizing public and private fleet operations through service-based models. Highland Electric Fleets exemplifies how electrification transcends technology, representing a business model innovation with transformative potential. Success hinges on integrating public and private stakeholders with aligned incentives. Resilient leadership is crucial for navigating supply chain and scaling challenges, ensuring trust and mission advancement. This approach balances scale, sustainability, and stakeholder success, driving systems-level change. Thank you for watching. Stay connected for more insights into transformative business models and stakeholder integration. Subscribe for updates on real-world cases driving change. Mobile, +91 875 553 00795. Email, support@skilledmba.com. Website, https://skilledmba.com.